Going on. Are altcoins dead? We're gonna be talking about here in this live stream. Let me check, make sure we got everything good to go here. Boom. What is up, guys? What is going on? Celsius is up 104% today. Woohoo! Oh yeah. Even though, dude, you guys are gonna probably sit there like, what are you saying? Altcoins are dead. Are you serious? I mean, Celsius is up 100%. You got ANKR up 40%, Nexo 30%. Shiba is up 25%. Well, guys, we did hear about Tornado Cash. If you guys are not in the loop of this, we heard about Tornado Cash actually being pretty much sanctioned off in the United States. They have completely banned it. Like, you try to go to the website, you cannot go to the website. It is completely down. And then apparently one of the developers in Amsterdam was arrested and is being detained right now. So could we see more of this happening in the cryptocurrency space? I mean, could we see like possible crypto projects of this type of stuff happening, where regulation is actually going to regulate some of these cryptos out of business? Now, I'm going to straight off and tell you guys, I don't think every altcoin's dead, guys, but I do think that there will be a lot of losers. There will be winners, but there are going to be a lot of losers. I think about 90% of all the crypto that you're seeing right now are not going to make it. They're not going to be able to, especially depending on how their regulations go. There is, still 50-50 up in the air. A lot of speculation still in play here, but if regulations get put in place where they make it very hard for instance, like decentralized protocols to occur, like DeFi to occur, I mean, then you're looking at the whole space being it's going to make it very difficult for a lot of these projects and companies to be able to be in profit, to be profitable, to be able to function and last long term. So that's kind of the mindset I'm going in with this. I will be showing you guys a little bit of my portfolio, some of the strategies and the gameplays that I'm doing in my investing in crypto, because I am investing in alts, guys. Even though I'm saying altcoins are dead, I don't think all of them are going to die. I'm going to show you some of the ones I'm choosing, the reason why I'm choosing those ones. We are live today. We are on YouTube and Twitch. Let me check in here, make sure everything's good to go. I also want to check out the chat. What's up, chat? Yeah, we are live, YouTube and Twitch. Come check us out. Be sure to give us a thumbs up, like, and subscribe if you have not done so already. Give me a follow. You can also follow me on Twitter at DeganLifer. Here's me on Twitter. Boom, boom. Let me pull it up. There you go. At DeganLifer. Yeah, buddy, got 50,000 followers. Let's keep that growing. I want to try to get back up to 100K. What up? Hey, everyone. Welcome. Let me pull up here the chat. Hi, everyone. See here. I'm also live on YouTube. Let's go. What crypto, what NFTs, what altcoins are you guys getting yourselves involved in? Please let me know in the live chat. We'll check it out. We'll take a look. I see Twitch is popping. Now powered by Nightbot. Sweet. What's up? Bam, bam. Oh, dude, I got my old TikTok. I need to get a new TikTok account. My TikTok's suspended. We have that link on there. Ignore that TikTok link. That is outdated. I actually don't have a TikTok right now. I'm actually... TikTok is really strict with its policies and community guidelines and stuff like that. Like, we get... Like, even a lot of big streamers, like Hassan, I don't know if you guys know who Hassan is. Apparently his TikTok just got taken down for violating their community guidelines or whatever. TikTok, so I'm pretty much like banned, like I got banned from TikTok, and I'm not like, this is my second TikTok ban. I've had 2 TikTok accounts. I'm not gonna have a third one. I mean, I probably will eventually, but I'm just kind of like boycotting TikTok right now. So, but yeah, be sure to give me a follow. I'm also on Instagram, all that good stuff. You guys can find it all down in the description. So yeah, let's get back into it, guys. Let's talk about some altcoins here. So yeah, altcoins are dead. You know, for instance, you talked about Tornado Cash. We saw what happened with Tornado Cash with the regulations taking that down. We could see more of that in the future, especially when it comes to decentralized exchanges, because there's no KYC, guys. You can't KYC your customers. That, you know, when it comes to finances and money, usually when you're sending more than $600, it's considered, you know, that's to the IRS. You need some paperwork involved. You need to know who you're sending that money to. We need, you know, that person needs to know who you are and so forth. And they do this for anti-money laundering purposes. And I'm starting to think that we're gonna have to see that in crypto too. You know, especially, you know, they went after Tornado first, which, I mean, out of all of them, that was probably the first one, because over $7 billion was laundered through that application. So yeah, I could see why they took it down. But here's my playbook right now. This is what I'm actually on Robinhood. The reason why I'm using Robinhood, I know some of you guys are probably sitting there like, dude, what are you doing? Why aren't you like using your hot wallets or, you know, keeping cold storage? Guys, relax. I also have those too, okay? Robinhood's not the only platform I keep my crypto on. In fact, I don't even hold any crypto on Robinhood. Robinhood basically has IOUs. I don't hold the keys to any of these. I'm only using these to gain, you know, these are just for trading purposes, okay? And the other reason why I like to use Robinhood is for the second reason is, you know, Robinhood actually has, you know, a reputation. They are a very large broker. I mean, they pretty much revolutionized the entire financial industry as far as investing goes, because their application is very easy. They made the average person be able to just buy anything they want, like be able to invest in stocks and to do it cheaply, because there are no fees to making your trades. No fees, guys. So that's awesome. And then obviously when it comes to, you know, doing your taxes, Robinhood makes it very easy. They pretty much do it all the trades. They keep track of everything for you, so it makes it very easy to submit it when it comes to taxes. So that's one of the main reasons why I'm using Robinhood. But keep in mind that you should not put all your eggs in one basket. Like I said, I don't use just Robinhood. I also do have hot wallets that I keep crypto on. I also have cold storage as well. So altcoins are dead. Yeah, so like I said, I do suspect a lot of altcoins are going to be dead, and I do suspect, in fact, some of these cryptos I'm holding right now will probably die, and I'm taking that, you know, I'm already invested in them, knowing that I'm taking a chance, a gamble that it could fail, it could go to zero. Some of those that I suspect they're gonna definitely die. I mean, we've already seen, you know, Litecoins kind of fading away. We've even seen XLM kind of fade away, but I still think those will still have some utilities and use case and will still be fine in long term. I think AVAX is actually one that I suspect could see a nice uprise in the next bull run, as long as they don't get into any legal trouble, or if the regulations are somewhat in favor for cryptocurrencies. Now, Uni is one I would say is high risk. The reason why Uniswap is high risk is because it's a decentralized exchange. It's a layer 2 layer 2 crypto, or a tier 2 crypto, which tier 2 cryptos are exchange tokens. So it doesn't have its own platform. And then it's a decentralized exchanges, and I think what we saw with Tornado Cash, we could also see stuff like that happening with decentralized exchanges too, and that is why I'm worried. But the good news is Uniswap is listed on Robinhood, and that gives me a lot of hope in Uniswap, and I'm going to quote unquote saying hope here, because I think this is a higher risk, but With it being listed on Robinhood, Robinhood wouldn't list it unless they actually thought it would be like it would not face any serious legal consequences or any trouble, because obviously Robinhood does not want to list a security or unregistered security that with that name, because then they would be in trouble too. So I think we're going to be okay here. We'll see though. We will see. Yeah, Uniswap. And then, of course, Matic. I think Matic's another one that, you know, it's a layer 2 of Ethereum. As long as Ethereum's going to be fine, Polygon's going to be good too. So Ethereum pumps, I think Matic will follow. SHIB is a meme, guys. Another risk, high reward asset. You know, we did see it pump just recently. You know, what was the reason for the pump? Who knows, man? I think, you know, Elon posted a tweet about Doge, and then when Doge, you know, rallies, Shiba rallies too. It's like, it's kind of like, it's the meme. It's the meme culture. It trends, it goes. Chainlink, I think, is another possibly, you know, decent one. You know, as long as Ethereum is in good shape, I think Chainlink is going to be in good shape as well, because it's very, very important to the ecosystem of Ethereum. And you guys could get it for a pretty good deal right now. And what's crazy is I actually had Chainlink when it was at 50 cents, and I'm just blown away that if I would have just held it, I would still be ridiculously rich right now. Oh my goodness. You live, you learn. So yeah, long term, I think Chainlink, you know, especially as long as Ethereum is okay. Same with Solana. Solana is a big competitor to Ethereum. It's got its cons, and it's going through some growing pains right now. But I think overall Solana is kind of too big to fail at this point. As long as it doesn't face any huge legal issues, I think Solana's here to stay. But we'll see. I still kind of consider that kind of a higher risk. Same with Doge. Doge, I like it because Elon supports it. It's backed by Elon, so typically whatever Elon touches, it turns to gold. I mean, that's kind of just been how things go with Elon. He's one of the most successful businessmen to ever live. If he supports it, he's going to have a ton of other people supporting it as well. And Doge has a very strong community. But it is a meme, guys. It is a meme. And then, of course, you got Ethereum and Bitcoin. Those are your two least risky assets. In fact, we can't even say Bitcoin's an altcoin because that is the original coin. It is not an altcoin. That is the original. And that's where I keep most of my money is in the Bitcoin. And then I also have, you know, probably my second heaviest is probably Ethereum, which we all know the merge, ETH 2.0. The merge will be happening here within the next month. They're kind of speculating it happening in September 15, but there is no set day because it is based off of hash rates. Yeah, buddy. What up? Any sponsors? We don't have any sponsors today, but I do want to say and make an announcement. Remember, I told you guys I wasn't going to be going live on this Wednesday the 17th. Well, take that back. We actually got a sponsored AMA with Olympus game that will be on August 17th, Wednesday. This Wednesday, it'll be 2 days from now. We'll be going live and doing an AMA with their founder and developer of this game. So yeah, guys, definitely tune in on that. In fact, we're going to be giving away prizes, $50 to 2 winners for the 2 best questions. You ask question for me to ask the founder during the live stream. You're going to get a chance to win $50. Yeah, guys, $50 to two winners. $50 prize to 2 winners on Wednesday if you ask the best question about Olympus game. Yeah, I'm going to share that, guys, on YouTube and Twitch. Yeah, that'll be on the 17th. Remember, I told you guys I wasn't going to be going live, but I am now, guys, going live. Baseball. What about baseball? Oh, Nero is in basketball mode. Yeah, I'm wearing a basketball like jersey. I'm wearing a baseball hat. Yeah. Thank you. I'm basically wearing a jersey. It's like MTV. It's an MTV shirt, but it's like in a jersey form. Yeah, sorry, I'm gonna get caught up on the chat here. When Moon. Yes, anybody can join the AMA. We'll be live this Wednesday, 2 days from now, the 17th. I'll be doing a live stream AMA with the founder of this game, Olympus.game. It's a play, trade, and earn strategic 3D tower rush game taking place in the Greek mythology era, which integrates blockchain technology and NFTs. Yep. Yeah. They got a token too, the OLYMP. Interesting. Yeah, this is who I'll be interviewing with right here. I think it's Matthew Fueli. Hope I'm saying his name right. Yeah, we'll be meeting with him on Wednesday. He'll be on the show with us live. I'll be interviewing him. Be 8/17, right? We're August. And I think it's 4 p.m. UTC. Dude, it's definitely going to be 11 a.m. Central. My time zones, like time differences, I can't keep up with them nowadays. I did do some trading, leverage trading on KuCoin. I put a little bit of money on here to give it a try. Obviously, I got in at a bad time. I went long on Ethereum, Algo, Waves, and SHIB. SHIB actually being down the most. I should have hold off on SHIB. I was expecting SHIB to run a little higher, but nope. Maybe altcoins are dead after all. I got dude. I was Waves. Waves is due to pump, man. Just look at this chart. Look at that. Come on. We could see, whoop, to like right here. I could see this going to like $8 or $9. It's at $6 right now. And it usually will go with Bitcoin. So Bitcoin pumps, Waves will definitely follow. We all know ETH merge, 1 month away. We got, I can see this going to 2,300, 2,500. I don't think it's going to go more than that. I can see Bitcoin, still growling up to like 28K, maybe 30K. 32 at the most. We're still in a bear market though, guys. Even in bear markets, you'll see rallies of 30 or 40%. We're like at 25. We're actually not even at 25% right now. What has the rally been? I think Bitcoin's only up 15% for the month, or maybe 20%. I know there's a lot of stocks that are up though. There's a lot of stocks that went up like 50%, 100%, but overall they're still. I think the SPY is only up 10%. Nasdaq's up 25%. So I still think we got a little bit of a rally to go, I think, for another month or so, but I think we're still going to be, I don't think we've hit the bottom yet. That's just my personal opinion, though, and I'm not a financial advisor. Hex. I've been hearing about Hex again, Richard Hart's project. Pumps his own project. Oh yeah, guys. Here is let me play this video, guys. And while I'm playing this video, you guys could tell me which cryptos you guys are getting yourselves into investing in.
So apparently Bitcoin is garbage. Investors are fleeing. It's lost nearly 2/3 of its value, and now a new survey says 60% of
This is
investors
Max
believe
Mayer.
Bitcoin's more likely to hit
Make sure to give him a
$10,000
subscribe on
than it is to rally up to
YouTube.
30,000. That means that these investors expect Bitcoin to fall another 60%. In that survey, a quarter of
Hear that,
investors
guys? He just said that they are expecting, the experts are expecting another 60% drop, possibly, in the current price where Bitcoin's at right now. Is BNB an altcoin? Yes, it is. Everything's an altcoin besides Bitcoin. Ethereum is the original altcoin. That's like the biggest, the number one alt. One moon. BUSD. Funny. Nice shirt, thanks. But yeah, let me get this playing, guys.
Cryptocurrencies as garbage. They're quitting crypto. The world has literally never been as negative about cryptocurrencies as it is now. But hold on a sec, because that might be exactly why now could be the best time ever to buy Bitcoin.
True.
And by the way, if you really want to be able to grab a hold of this market and get real-time insights, check out my membership group Fanova. It's like OnlyFans, except you're much more likely to get a return on investment. There we have daily trade signals, live coaching where you can ask.
Pass him.
So, in the past,
Here we
Bitcoin
go.
has followed a classic boom-bust pattern, following it aggressively. To get a sense of where Bitcoin sits in that cycle, let's take a look at the classic pattern of an asset bubble. As the bubble builds, enthusiasm turns to greed, which then turns into delusion, and then it bursts. There's always a burst. Post-burst, you have denial, then fear, and finally capitulation and despair. It's only after all of that pain
I don't think we're in
that you see a
despair yet,
return
guys.
to price growth. Looking at Bitcoin's price, it looks very much like it's reaching the capitulation or even possibly despair phase, which could signify a coming return to growth. But we can't just look at one chart, make up our minds, and be like, that's it. There's always more to the story. The first question that pops into my mind is, could this really happen that quickly? I mean, Bitcoin was at all-time highs just 8 months ago.
Yeah, it was
Typically,
quick
an
ago.
asset slump lasts much longer than that. But maybe that's not the case anymore, especially not for Bitcoin, because it looks like market cycles are accelerating. Here's how they work.
Let me know what you guys think about
people
this.
and businesses borrow more money, which leads to
Check
more growth
ADA.
and
Oh yeah,
rising
we'll check
markets.
ADA.
But over time, this credit expansion leads to inflation, which triggers a need for higher interest rates. This causes an economic slowdown
else,
and a
guys?
decline in borrowing.
Doge.
Markets fall and inflation eases up,
Of course.
hopefully. Eventually, interest rates settle down, which makes it easier to borrow again. And so the economy gets back to growth. And on
There's
and
an
on
ad
like
your
that. It's
stream.
always 2 steps forward, 1 step back when it comes to the economy. Over the past 50
Happy
years, these
birthday.
economic expansions have typically taken 8 or 9 years to play out.
Happy
But now this
birthday,
timeline
Pinky
seems
Barrett.
to be getting condensed. It was only about 5 years from the end of the dot-com crash to the beginning of the housing bubble crash. And now in 2022, we're witnessing the second stock market crash in just 2 years. And it's even more obvious when you look at longer time horizons. After the infamous 1929 stock market crash, it took 25 years for the Dow Jones to return where it peaked before the crash. But
Yeah,
after
so
the
what
Great
you
Recession-
guys saying is, you know, the Great Depression, when that happened, people didn't come back, guys. That was like, investors went in and they left. They didn't come back, and it took like a long time for it to recover.
Recession of 2008, it took
Could
just
that happen
6
to
years.
crypto? Could that happen to altcoins? It's possible.
Product drops when done right may result in
Sorry for the ads, guys.
So why is this happening? And while no one can say for sure, there are a number of explanations that make a lot of sense. The most blatant is digital communications. Information has never moved faster. An investor can read an article on their phone at 9 a.m. and make a trade by 9:02. And not only are investors getting information faster, they're far better educated. They can make more informed decisions because they actually have access to good information, unlike 50 years ago or 70 years ago. And the psychology of investing has completely changed as well. You've probably heard the term BTFD, buy the dip.
Buy the
That
dip.
wasn't always conventional wisdom among investors. The average Joe investors who got wiped out in the 1929 crash, they weren't thinking, oh, you know, if my dollar cost average through this beast of a Great Depression, through a long enough time horizon, I'll probably be all right. They weren't thinking that. If they had, the market might have recovered a lot faster. But instead, an entire generation of would-be investors got scared off from the markets forever.
Wow, mind blown.
Another explanation for these roided up market cycles is that central banks are enabling it big time. Beginning with the dot-com bust around 2000, central banks like the US Federal Reserve, the European Central Bank, and the Bank of Japan have increasingly stepped in to rescue markets in a downturn. They do this first by lowering interest rates to rock bottom levels. And since the Great Recession,
Yeah, we're raising them
they've
now.
been playing this kind of grand experiment thanks to Ben Bernanke called quantitative easing. It sounds way more complicated than it really is. Essentially, all this means is printing money in order to buy up bonds and assets. Doing this increases the supply of money. Now, when you buy a bond, the money supply doesn't change at all because you're using money that's already in the system. But if the Fed does it, it's just making money out of thin air. So anything they buy just adds to the total pool of money.
And that's what
when there's
causes
more money
inflation,
floating
guys.
around, people spend more and the economy accelerates. This process is a huge help during market crashes. It's like, But there's no such thing as a free dollar, and of course this all has some unintended consequences. Some say it leads to rising inequality. When there's more money, each individual dollar is worth less. And people with assets like stocks or real estate, they're impacted, but not as badly because those asset prices will eventually adjust to the new value of the dollar. However, people making an hourly wage will simply see their buying power go down. That's a
That's what's
much
happening
harder
right
position
now,
to be in.
guys.
And this QE phenomenon has done something really weird to markets. Eventually, over time, investors realized that the value of their investments is dependent not only on market fundamentals, but on central bank tricks as well. According to Bloomberg, this is the reason why markets crashed so fast in the first half of 2022. When inflation soared and the Fed started fighting that inflation by raising interest rates and reducing debt purchases, investors realized that they couldn't count on the Fed's magic tricks anymore because they had none left. All their cards were already on the table and confidence in the market evaporated overnight.
Damn.
But this still leaves a question. How do we know when the market is about to turn down? Or even better, start on the road to recovery after a crash? Well, I have a story that...
So are we in a recovery phase
Joe
now?
Kennedy, the father of
I don't know
President
yet,
John
guys.
F.
I don't
Kennedy,
think so.
shorted the market ahead of the 1929 crash and made a fortune. But even more
SRM
interesting
token.
is why he did it. He had a conversation with a shoeshine boy. And you might be wondering, like,
I'm
the
missing your
shoeshine boy
crystal
told him to
ball.
short
I got the
market and
crystal
he made a
ball,
fortune?
guys.
No, actually the opposite. The shoeshiner knew all the latest
Crystal ball's
market
right
news
here.
and eagerly tracked his investments. He made it seem like the markets were some kind of casino where everyone comes out a winner. Total euphoria. That set off the warning alert
Lucky
for Joe
block,
Kennedy. In
goodbye.
Joe's view,
We'll take a
when
look.
even the shoeshine boys have jumped into the market, it means the stock market mania is
Uni,
reaching
XRP,
a fever
and
pitch. The market is
ADA.
overbought. It's
All right.
time to sell. So he acted
I
on
was
that
waiting for
intuition,
XRP to
shorted
be
the market,
mentioned.
and made a boatload of cash.
VVAX.
So did we have a shoeshine boy moment before this market downturn? I think so.
The title of this video is
Memecoin
"Quitting
craze.
Crypto: Mass Panic Explained." I'll link it to you guys here, share it to you guys so you guys can check it out if you want. Give him a subscribe, Max Meyer. Hope it's saying his name right, or Mayer. It's Meyer or Mayer. Yeah. Good follow. Check TRX. Of course, we'll check TRX.
Of 2021. Chances are, if you're watching this video, you're the investor of your family or friend group. You tend to hear about big finance news first, and you'll always make better investments because you get in early, because you monitor this stuff on a daily basis. People probably message you to get your opinion on some investment that they're looking into. You're a great person to be. But when everyone you know starts asking about a particular stock or crypto, when brokerage accounts are being set up in record numbers, when marketing becomes more important than fundamentals in investing, that's when you should be the most concerned with the markets.
Oh my
so I propose
gosh.
a new measure telling us when
Interesting.
markets are overpriced. The stonk indicator. When stocks become stonks, the party's probably about to end. It's 4 a.m., people are passed out, and you wish you just went to bed at 11 like you wanted to. Does this mean you should sell everything? No, not necessarily. You can still find a good deal in a bad market or a hot market, but this is a good time to reevaluate your positions and take profits if you have them. Maybe set a reminder on your phone to watch this video again in
Guys,
December
this chance has
2023
already
when
happened,
the market is
man.
hot again.
This
And
was
while you
8
do
months
that,
ago
I'm
when
gonna
you
tell
guys
about
should
a
have been
little app
taking
that I use
profits.
called KuCoin. With KuCoin, you can buy
Oh,
and
he
sell
started showing
hundreds of crypto.
KuCoin.
Charles said in the 18th century, the time to buy is when there's blood in the streets. That worked quite
Hear
well
that,
for him
guys?
because he made.
So, the bottom line is, we are in a time right now where there's a lot of blood on the streets, there's a lot of fear, especially in crypto. And if you make the right choices, guys, the prices are low. Prices are low right now. They're probably going to go even lower within the next 6 months. But now, and then between now and that time, is the time to start buying and start accumulating. Make sure you do your research, get into the right projects, get into the right cryptos. Because when the next bull run hits here in a few years, they're going to go 10, 100x, and you're going to be rich, basically. But there's also, like I said, Great Depression scenario where investors don't come back. That can also happen too. So, but he also mentioned, things are different than there was, during the Great Depression 50, 70 years ago. Things didn't move as quickly. There was a lot more fear, blah, blah, blah. So, who knows? It's 50-50. That's what I'm saying. That's what my, the magic ball, crystal ball is telling me. It's 50-50, but it's not right all the time, so. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments, down in the description. Curious to know your thoughts. Let's get the music back playing here. Alright, let's take a look at some of these cryptos that you guys mentioned. Somebody mentioned, we got ADA, Cardano. What's Cardano doing today? Not much from what it was a few days ago. 56 cents. Is down 2% today. You got a market cap of $19 billion. That's with a B. And it is still down in this, what would you call this stage right now? This is probably the capitulation stage. I wouldn't say we are in complete despair yet, but we are definitely in the capitulation stage. You got some FUD here, scam big time. That's what somebody mentioned here. Because prices are down and they're calling it a scam, right? Let's see. We got Doge. Somebody mentioned Doge. Same thing. I think we're all in this, like I said, we're not maybe in complete despair yet, but we are definitely in a very good buying range for sure. $10 billion market cap you got here. Trading at 0.07, almost 8 cents. Of course, I am holding some Doge myself. Yeah, buddy. Things are down today. We are seeing a sea of red. Except for a few alts. We do have some alts that are green, like Doge, Gala, GMT, Leo, LDO, Celsius, big one here. HT, Nexo, ANKR, SHIB, CHZ, and Hex, and OKB. Yeah, buddy. What else? You guys mentioned SRM. I think you guys mentioned that the last time. Serum. Low market cap, $278 million, 106 is what it's trading at. It's way down. This might be in the despair stage, to be honest. This is in despair and may never come back. Altcoins are dead, maybe. Let me know what you guys think. Lucky Block. L Block. Let's take a look here. It's up 21% today. Maybe this one's not dead. Market cap is just $48 million. Yeah, L-Bank, MEXC, PancakeSwap. You guys can trade this. It is down though. It is way down from where it was. Could it come back? Maybe. We'll see. We got what? Uniswap. Somebody mentioned Uni. Good pick. This one is very, to my point of view, is a very high-risk, controversial project because it is a decentralized exchange. And I think DEX protocols, DEX exchanges are going to face a hard time when it comes to regulation and being considered legal. Luna. Ooh, somebody mentioned Luna. Yeah, that's another one. Now, of course, Uni, I have hopes for this one, though, because it is listed on Robinhood. It's very popular. Maybe this is, like what I said, you got high risk, high reward here. If they say, hey, you know, let's say governments, you know, like, you know what, we're going to give Uniswap the free pass. We think it's a great tool, great asset. We definitely love it. Keep it going. Yeah, this thing's gonna moon. Because it is awesome. It is awesome. It's, you don't have to rely on any centralized exchange to do exchange. You could trade crypto easily and privately. But when it comes to money laundering and all that kind of stuff, that's where he gets into sticky waters. High risk, high reward. Let's see. We got XRP. Now this is, we're kind of all banking and waiting for the moment of XRP and the lawsuit with the SEC, because that's really going to determine what the course of history is going to be for crypto. Because if XRP ends up winning the lawsuit, chances are slim, but if they do end up pulling out winning it, it's going to open I think everything's going to moon. All crypto is going to moon, because we all know at that point, the regulations are going to be different than what we are now anticipating, with the SEC saying that most of these are securities, and now they're securities, they're unregistered, which makes them illegal, which, that's a lot of FUD that you get thrown in there. So yeah, I mean, we're all waiting for this XRP lawsuit to unravel and tell us exactly what's going to be happening for the future of crypto. We wait to see. It's trading at 37 cents, market cap $18 billion. It is definitely in the capitulation stage. I won't say it's in complete despair yet. But the thing is, I noticed, is it never saw a new all-time high from its previous all-time high in 2018. To me, if it's not growing, it's dying. And we're starting to see that with a lot of altcoins that came out. Remember when I tell you guys altcoins are dead? Well, look, what if they really are? What if XRP is a slow dying... I like how people call this in crypto, a slow rug pull. Like, what is a slow rug pull? You can't pull out a rug slowly. Like, it beats the purpose of what a rug pull actually is. A rug pull means the price crash. Like, this is a rug pull. When prices go up, or they start steadily going up for a long time, like, to me, this is more like a pump and dump. This wouldn't be considered a rug pull. A rug pull would mean the price is going up steadily for a long period of time, and all of a sudden it crashes. And it crashes, like, from, like an 80 to 90% crash within minutes or hours, where nobody has a chance to sell. That's a rug pull. You can't call something a slow rug pull if it's slowly going down. And that means you've had every opportunity to get out for a very long time. So what's a slow rug pull? Don't make sense. But what I'm saying here is definitely, I don't think we're definitely in the capitulation stage. I don't know, could maybe see a little bit lower, but we'll see. It all comes out to see what that lawsuit is. Let's see, we got AVAX, Avalanche, $28.04. It is down 2% today. Market cap, $7.9 billion. I think this is definitely a good long one. Hey, we got first time chatter here. Germ C. No way 419 people are watching this. What? Hey there. Shib. Yeah, we already looked at Shib. How's Litecoin? Check Litecoin. Yeah, I did lose a lot in Luna and Mon. Mongoose, I lost the most. BFG, I didn't lose any money though. BFG, I didn't lose any money. And I would actually say, dude, I don't know. So one thing I did differently today, because I usually don't get this many views at once or this many viewers, is I went to, when I put in my video, my edit stream, I actually filled out these tags. So I added all these tags in, and that's why I'm probably got more views than I usually do. It was something I noticed I wasn't been doing, and I started doing it. I was doing it in the past, and definitely did help in the past, and then for some reason I just kind of forgot doing it, and I did it again, and actually it seems to work. Curious about my age? That's weird. Watching you stream gives me the chill. Are you still doing trades? I am. You know I'm always doing trades. I got some leverage trades. I opened up some longs, which I don't know why. I'm sitting here telling you guys altcoins are dead, and I open up a bunch of longs. I still think we still got a, you know, like I said, in a bear market, you still have these 30 to 40% rallies that could occur. We're already 20 to 30% in, so I think we still got a little more of a rally to go. That's what I'm banking. That was why I entered here long. I still think we could see Bitcoin go to like 26K, maybe 28K. I think we could definitely see Ethereum pop above 2K again, especially with the merge 2.0. With the merge coming out. And then of course, you know, when those two are pumping, everything else tends to pump. Let's see, we got, oh yeah, I got some videos I need to make for Deegan Lifer too. Yes guys, I'm in my 30s. Yeah, I know about CC. I've been trying to get it to work, but when I tried to use that one program, it slowed down my computer. Like, it slowed down my internet, the streams. Hey guys, joining Reddit. Yeah, buddy. Okay, so it's Tomke, I tried that, it didn't work. So here we go. Let's see. I think I'll keep the music in the background. Why not? Why not? Why not? All right, here we go. We got metallic butyrene. Alright guys, here, Deegan Lifer. So we got Ethereum 2.0, the merge is going to be happening. They're speculating that it's going to happen on September 15th. Yes, the Ethereum co-founder Vitalik Buterin affirms that the much awaited Ethereum merge will probably be happening on September 15th. Now, there is no way of knowing what exact date it's going to be because it all depends on the hash rate. That's what's so great about decentralization, is that these guys have no way to actually control when this can actually occur. It all depends on how many transactions in the hash through rate. It has to reach a certain amount and for it to trigger. So here you can see here, Vitalik did tweet, the terminal total difficulty has been set to this huge ridiculous number here, which I'm pulling up the tweet here now. This means the Ethereum proof of work network now has to be roughly fixed number of hashes left to mine, so it has to finish all the hashes and before it goes from proof of work to a proof of stake model, which is the merge. The Bordel.WTF predicts the merge will happen around September 15th, though the exact date depends on the hash rate. So we don't know exactly when for sure that's going to happen. So if Ethereum ends up with, say, the hash rates increase significantly more than expected, then yes, it could happen sooner. If it slows down, and it can happen later, but we do have at least an idea time frame of when it's going to be occurring. So stay tuned for more. Make sure to like and subscribe. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace. Yeah, buddy. So, you guys, I'm just creating some short videos here for my Deegan Lifer. That's my second YouTube channel that you guys can check out. I will send you guys the link here. Deegan Lifer. Give it a like and subscribe. Thank you for the subscribes. Do you have gaming channel, Dapp? I mean, I do game here. I do play to earn games here, but we also do gaming on Direct Thought feed as well. Care mate, what's up? So cool. Thank you for being here. What's what SHG? I'll have to check out SHG. Yeah, show me some projects, guys. Show me some cryptos. Or even stocks. If you guys are in stocks, I always look at stocks too. Yeah, there's Deegan Lifer there. Be posting a video on that. Keep your eyes peeled. Ethereum ICO. Look at this, guys. I forgot to mention this. Ethereum ICO era whale address transfers 145,000 Ethereum before the merge. So yeah, somebody just transferred a huge amount of Ethereum. Some people are speculating that they're using this Ethereum, that they're going to be dumping it, and then there's others saying they're going to be using it to stake it. I think they're going to probably be dumping it, guys, but we'll see. I definitely think we will see a dump after the merge. Guys, bottom, I don't think bottom is in, folks. I really don't. I think we're going to start, I hope we continue upward, because I am in this, trading this, that we are going to continue upward for a little bit longer before it starts coming back down. I hope we don't start coming back down already, because I literally bought at the top, which would just be terrible. It's sad, because I did have a bunch of buy orders. I made a decent amount of money too. I bought down here, I sold up here, and I didn't think we were gonna rally this long. I really didn't. It was an extended rally, and then they came out with news that nobody expected. Like, out of nowhere, they came up with this tax bill, which we'll go in the later about. It was not to get too political here, but it was pretty much kind of misleading. I think the current administration pumped the markets, kind of making the market seem better than it actually is. So yeah, we're going to be talking a little more about that. It's going to be coming in my future videos here. In fact, let me get started on the next one. This is about Nancy Pelosi. There, let me turn the music down for a minute. I'm going to listen to this one. actually, before we do that, let me go ahead and record this. Alright guys, Deacon Life here. So Nancy Pelosi has been making some trades. Here's a video here from Meet Kevin. Let's see what he has to say here.
Nancy Pelosi's back at it again. People like to say, you want to know what the best stocks are to buy, just look at what Congress is buying. And here's what Nancy
Follow
Pelosi
the money,
is up
folks.
to. Folks, just hours after expressing her support for a bill called the CHIPS Bill, which will provide $52 billion in manufacturing grants and investment tax credits, and up to another $200 billion to boost a scientific and tech innovation, which in my opinion is basically just a big old stimmy check for American chip companies.
We just gonna print more money.
Just hours after this, guess what Nancy Pelosi did? She disclosed that she dumped about $2 million of Visa stock and basically used that to help her fund the purchases of over $3 million of NVIDIA shares.
She
which
dumped
is an
Visa
American
stock.
chip company. Democrats call this bipartisan.
They put it in the video.
Mitch McConnell calls this partisan, and most Americans call this insider trading. Follow for more.
What you guys think? Let me know down in the comments. But looking at NVIDIA, I mean, she did make an investment in NVIDIA. Still down 6 months, 30%. Maybe she's buying the dip here. It has gone up 18% in the last month. Let me know down in the comments what you guys think. Is this insider trading? Let me know. See you on the next one. There we go. Like COD, DAO Maker, bro. Let me check that out. I'm going to be checking these out. Pancake. Ooh, we haven't looked at Cake in a while. Avalanche. I don't know what that is. Call of Duty. Probably play some Call of Duty Wednesday night. We'll see. We got another one here. Remember I was talking about Joe Biden pumping the markets? Alright, Deacon Life, you're here. What if Joe Biden just pumped the markets? We were just talking about how they just passed this inflation reduction bill, which really doesn't really have much to do with inflation. It's actually, yeah, they call it the Inflation Reduction Act, but it mainly has to do with climate. Does have taxes and health bill proposal. There is some good things in this, but I don't think it really has anything to do with inflation. It has more to do with climate change, and that they're going to be giving incentives for companies to go green. Yeah, and then they're going to, apparently they add some things that's going to make it easier for Medicare to compete with big pharma when it comes to pricing, which I guess that might help inflation a little bit, but we've always been complaining about our drugs costing too much. You know, they've always been high. That's not the problem. We're talking about gas prices. We're talking about food. You know, who cares about, you know, drug? We already know drug prices are always high. And then of course, and then taxes. Oh yeah, they're going to be giving the IRS tons of money so they could hire a bunch of, like, I guess 87,000 more workers. I don't think that's going to help with inflation whatsoever, but of course it's going to make you have to pay all your taxes, right? Well, let me know what you guys think in the comments. I'll see you guys on the next one. Yeah, guys, I'm making these videos. These are short clips for Deacon Lifer. What do you think about Vechain? Oh, we got first timer here. T-B, what's up? Let's take a look at Vechain. First timers, I will let you get the first dibs here because you had some people jump in front of you, but let's go ahead and take a look at Vechain real quick here. Vechain is down 3% today. It's trading at 3 cents. Not a whole lot of volume. I actually kind of was trading Vechain a little bit like last month. I kind of got out of it though. I got bored. It wasn't moving. Market cap is $2.2 billion. Now, like I said, for day trading this, you're going to get bored, but this could potentially be a very good long-term hold, especially when you see it down at these levels here. We're definitely in the capitulation slash despair stage. Definitely, wow, if you guys could have got this at 2 cents, you would definitely be up almost, you'd be up 50% already. Could it go lower? Yeah, it certainly can, but yeah, this definitely could be a good long-term hold. I mean, it did go from, wow, this thing was less than a penny during the last bear market. Wow, and it went up, what was it, all-time high? Let's take a look here. Let me see the stats. All-time high, 27, almost 28 cents. It is down 88% from its all-time high, guys. Next bull run, yeah, we could see this definitely going up. And this is for logistics too. This is it has a very solid utility use case. So if regulations side with crypto, this will definitely be a good long-term hold, I would say. I don't own any right now though. I'm obviously not getting paid to show this, so do your guys' research. Thank you, first time chatter, welcome. Somebody, let me get the music. Who's the rate of its peso? What? What's the rate of it in peso? I don't know, man. You could check. Oh. Sorry, I didn't get the music that loud. Alright. So we got Vechain. What was next? We got, somebody mentioned Luna. Actually, let's start backwards. Somebody mentioned PancakeSwap. Let's look at that first. Welcome. Love the new timers. Thank you for being here. Do you like pet Dapp? I do have pets. I got a dog and cats. Yep. I am a cat lover, a dog lover. Here is PancakeSwap, trading at $4.25, down 1% today. Trading at market cap of $683 million. And we did see this go all the way up to almost 45 bucks. Wow. Definitely in its 10x range here. But like I said, guys, high risk, high reward asset here, folks. DEX exchanges, we don't know what's going to happen. What's the fate for DEXs? Who knows? We got, somebody mentioned DAO Maker. DAO. This is up 8% today, trading at $2.12. You're looking at a market cap of just $176 million. All time, it hasn't been out for very long. We did see this hit $8 before. You guys can get this on Gate.io and KuCoin. But don't know much about this project. I have not gotten into it yet. DAOs, though, I am big believer in DAOs, decentralized autonomous organizations. I think though that might actually be the loophole here for the future when it comes to like how do you classify securities and commodities and all that stuff. Regulations, I think, are gonna have a hard time with this one, how DAOs work. Because it's like an organization that has no central authority and everybody votes on what is created. It's going to be interesting to see how that all plays out. And how the taxes work with all that. We got somebody mentioned SHG. Shim generating. What is this? Another SHIB. Well, we know SHIB was pumping. It was pumping 30% earlier yesterday, and I bought maybe at the top, close to it. I was thinking it was going to rally even more. I've been trading badly the last month or so. But I'm going to hold on to it. Look, it's already going back up, guys. I'm not sweating it. even sweating it. SHIB is still down 30%, but at least these are recovering. Like I said, SHIB, I FOMO'd. But I learned my lesson on Luna, guys. When I tried to short Luna, when it pumped like this, it went up again. That's what I was expecting it to do again. I think we'll see. It's definitely going to go back to this range again, so I should at least be able to break even. It could go even higher. We'll see. Will I sell if it ends up going to that range? Maybe. We'll see what the rest of the market's doing at that time. If the market's bullish, like if market's pumping, I'll probably just leave it, let it rally. But we'll see what the rest of the markets are doing. Coffee. I was drinking my Starbucks today. It's Starbucks Double Shot Energy, vanilla flavor. Yeah. But yeah, SHG, another SHIB coin, low market cap. This thing was going down for a long time. Man, you got that for pretty much nothing. And it's gone back up. You guys can trade on PancakeSwap. That is it, though. That is it. This is the website, SHIBG Official. SHIB generating, the revolution is coming. SHIB generating SHG is the highest paying Shiba Inu in the world. So is it just a fork of SHIB? Or just a copy of SHIB? I don't know, guys. Obviously, I don't have holding any of these. I don't intend to buy any of these. So you guys do your own research. Near. Alright, we'll take a look at Near. SHIB $1 when? I don't know, probably never, to be honest. Unless they burn, they would have to burn a lot of SHIB. Maybe a long time, over time, possibly. Let's go. Near Protocol trading at $5.55. Market cap is $4 billion. Yeah. I don't know, man. I think this is one of those 10x easy from here from the next bull run. Maybe. I don't know, I still think we got a little bit more pain to go. I think this could go a little bit higher. Like I said, I think we could see. I mean, market cap is already at 1.1. Oh my goodness, trillion! It's over $1 trillion again. Here's the total crypto market cap. Seriously, we are almost recovered from, at least from where it was back in May. So we are definitely in the capulation stage, guys. 100%. Guys, look at that. We are in the capitulation. We have officially dropped down, but like I said, what is below capulation is despair, and I think we are going to hit despair here in the next 6 months or so. I think we might still, I think we got another 10-20% to go upward, meaning before the next dump, so maybe in the next month or so. I feel like Ethereum is trying to time it out perfectly where the top's going to be and when merge comes out. I almost feel like that's how they're trying to play it out. But that's just my theory. BNT. Alright, we can take a look at BNT. Bancor? Ooh! Bancor. Dude, I remember using Bancor way back in the day. Is a decentralized exchange. It was actually a really easy decentralized exchange. The fees were kind of ridiculous, but this token sucks. Look at that. Ugh. It's way down. I don't know, this one might be, may not recover. It is listed on Coinbase, though, and Binance. I don't know, I feel like Layer 2 tokens are in trouble. Like, Layer 1, or Tier 1. Tier 1 are your coins, guys. That's your Bitcoin, that's your Ethereum, that's your XRP. They're their own platforms, basically. And then you got Tier 2 tokens. Tier 2s are your DeFis and your exchanges, okay? Those are ones that are in trouble right now. Those are the ones that are going to be facing a lot of the legal regulatory issues. And then you got Tier 3, which are your Memecoins, which those are also going to have some regulation issues. A lot of them, those are typically your scams too. They're your pump and dumps, your scams. So you kind of want to try to stay away from those as much as possible. Now, there are some memes that I think are still okay, like Dogecoin and SHIB. I think those are, you know, they're really large. They got huge communities. They're almost too big to fail now, but could they ever go back to all-time highs? Maybe not. Will they ever pump again? Probably. We'll see. I'm just keeping it real to you guys. I know some of you guys probably not liking me saying some of this stuff, you know, especially about altcoins, possibly some of them not coming back. I probably lost some followers from that. But hey, I'm just keeping it real with you guys. I'm not going to lie to you. I'm not going to tell you everything's all good and gory and everything's going to moon when it doesn't. Polkadot. That's trading at $8.95. Market cap's $9.9 billion. Binance and Coinbase. What else we got? Matic, yeah. Dude, I'm liking Matic, dude. Layer 2, Ethereum. Oh, yeah. Made a partnership with Disney. I think this is gonna definitely, I'm gonna be picking up some Mac. I'm waiting for this to come back down a little bit, but I'm definitely gonna go heavy on Mac definitely for the next bull run. I think this is one of the few altcoins that will make it. Maybe. We'll see. Maybe not. Market cap is still pretty high. 7 billion. Ooh. Yo, less visionaries. First time chatter, what's up? Orion, what's up? Welcome. I don't know what that is though, less visionaries. That. Visionaires? This is their Instagram. They look like purses. Is that what we're trying to sell here? Purses? Would any of you guys buy these? Getting ready for autumn. Hey, you guys getting ready for autumn? These, wow, these are nice. Okay. Let's translate this to English, please. It looks like it's in German. Woo! I wonder how much these are going for right now. I want to shop right now. Not as bad as I thought they were going to be. Still a little pricey though. Wait, aren't euros worth less than dollars now? How much is a euro to a dollar? Because these are in euros. Because I used to think euros were more expensive, but now they're like the same. 1 euro equals, or euro to USD. Oh, it's only, euro is 1.02 cents, so it actually is worth 2 cents more than $1. Now, what is a ruble to USD? Let's see. Is that still going up? Oh no, look, it's going back down a little bit. Still up. Still worth more than it was before the sanctions, though. That's a little scary. What's the won to USD? Won to USD, 0.15. China's currency is going down, down, down. China's going down. Oh no. I'm French, but it's not me. What's up, you Polkadot and GLMR? I heard is that Glamour? GLMR? Moonbeam. That's up 3% today, 71 cents. Market cap $256 million. It's way down though. Look at that. Oh man, this is hit despair, guys. This is what capulation happened here. This is the pump, the bull trap, and then despair. This is what I expect to happen. I don't expect this, like, that much long of there being nothing, but I think we're gonna see something like this play out where it's gonna come back down. We'll see a new low, like for Bitcoin, for instance. Like, let's say this is like, we're like right here. We're like right here. I think we're gonna get a pump, and then it's just gonna be sideways and then downward from there. And then this will probably be like next year. Beginning of next year will be here, and then it'll start going back up. Like towards beginning of the year, I think markets will start going back up a little bit. 2023 going into 2024. Yeah. That's what I'm expecting. But we'll see. What up, first time chatter? Did not get to see your message. Probably because it was spam. BTC 19K or 33K. I think it's gonna go 33K then 19K. That would be my guess. Susan Rocks, what up, guys? Yeah, we are live on YouTube and Twitch. Make sure to like, follow, and subscribe if you have not done so already. Please, it helps the channel, it helps me out. I usually follow back too, guys. You follow me, I follow back. We got a few more videos to make here. Talked about Joe Biden, NASDAQ. Oh. We will see. Oh yeah, US dollar index, guys. You guys seen this? US dollar has been going up, guys. The power of the dollar has been increasing within the past year, actually. We look in the last 3 years. Back in 2020, this is when it was collapsing. It started collapsing after COVID-19 happened. 2019, going into 2020. This is the beginning of 2020. This is when it started going down. We saw the DXY. This is the dollar. This is the index that shows the strength of the US dollar and is now going back up. Finally, we are heading back up. So whatever what the Fed is doing to help improve the dollar and try to combat inflation, according to this, is actually working. Technically, it's probably going to take a while for it to reflect on all the prices across the board. And what that means, guys, prices aren't going to go back to the way they were. that's never gonna happen. When they say like inflation, technically, I don't think inflation was 0%. When Biden was saying inflation was 0%, it was, to me, it was kind of misleading because technically it's not true, because why nobody believed it, because everybody's still paying much, but it's a leading indicator that things are going to be getting better. So it has to be consistent though. So to me, it's still a little early to say, because what if it peaks again next month? We'll see. But it is showing signs of slowing down. So maybe things are start getting better. But I don't think that means prices are going to go lower. It just means the amount of increases are slowing down. So when they say inflation's at 0%, that means, or for inflation was 0% for that month, that means prices stayed the same. It doesn't mean that prices lowered or went to zero. It just means prices did not increase at all. So that means inflation is slowing down. So sometimes it can be misleading, or misinterpreted is probably even a better way of saying it, of understanding what the numbers mean. So 0% inflation for July just means prices didn't go up. And we don't actually want that, guys. We don't want 0% inflation forever, because that actually will collapse our economy, because we are actually in an inflated type of economy. We're a fractional reserve economy that is fueled by inflation. You have to have a little bit of inflation for it to grow, have positive GDP growth and all that. Somebody mentioned INJ. What's INJ? Let's pull up INJ. Injective. This is the first time I've ever heard of this. Injective INJs. $1.80. Trading 60 fraction, not even a percent down. Market cap is only 117 million. And it's down, guys. I think this is definitely probably in the capulation, if not despair stage already. You guys can do this on Binance, Gate.io, Coolcoin, maybe another. This could be one of those ones that take off in the next bull run. It's newer. Cover the economists of 2022? Yeah, basically. Bro, try to check CVC. What's going on with CVC? Alright, let's check CVC. Civic. Oh, it's up 22%. 20 cents. Market cap is $208 million. Yeah, it's pumping today, folks. Went from 17 cents all the way up to 21, 22, 23 cents. Heading it way back down. I don't know, guys. Here's the thing. This is another thing where I'm telling you guys, altcoins are dead. Look, Civic never saw a new all-time high. So what does that mean for the next bull run? Next bull run it's telling me it's going to be less. We went from being 42 cents, 50. Wait, what? No, this was at $1.34 all-time high, and then next bull run it barely went to $1. Not good. No bueno. Now, I don't think this is going to be the case for all cryptos, but hey, it's telling me if it's not growing, it's dying. Thanks all. Let's see what else we got. Oh yeah, guys, remember we do have our live AMA coming Wednesday, the 17th. I'm going to be doing an interview with the founder and the CEO of Olympus Games. This is their game here that they got. So we're going to be talking with them. They got a pretty cool play to earn, play, trade, and earn metaverse game. We'll be talking about it. Make sure to join us in the next live stream. Checking my longs that I opened up, still down. At least I'm starting to recover some. Overall, I'm still down though. Down $123. It'll get better. It'll get better. These are your shit coins, altcoins. They're pumping. Celsius. Wow. It's up 100%. But we all know what happened here, guys. Celsius. Getting some turmoil. Now it's turned into a meme, just like Luna Classic did. CVC, Civic is good. I do agree with BTC, ETH, ADA. I like LTC. Yeah, I mean it'll pump. It moves with Bitcoin. It's like pegs to Bitcoin, basically. Will the stock market crash in 2022? 7 risk factors. I think it's possible, guys. Definitely possible. I think it's going to happen in 2023, though. So, I got 2 more videos I need to make for Deegan Lifer. And then I'm going to call it quits. This will be the end of the live stream for this round. So, thank you guys all for tuning in. But let me go ahead and I'm going to get going here on this one more video here. What up, guys? Deegan Lifer here. What is going on? Gonna be talking, guys, what is the difference between a token and a coin? So there's a little bit of confusion. I'm hoping I can clear this up on what's the difference between coins and tokens when it comes to cryptocurrency. So coins and tokens, this is the Google definition, represents a store of value, much like fiat currencies such as dollars, euros, yen, etc. But there is a crucial difference. Digital coins are a form of money, while digital tokens represent something that can be assigned a price. So here is a good article here from blog.liquid.com. Crypto coin versus token, understanding the difference. So what is a coin? When Bitcoin first came out, it set the standard for what it means to be a coin. There's a clear-cut qualities that distinguish crypto coins from tokens, which are similar to real-world money. So it has to operate on a blockchain. It acts as money, and it can be mined. Yes, you can earn crypto coins in 2 ways, using the proof of work or the proof of stake method. So it has to be able to have this protocol where it's being mined. It acts as a currency, and it operates on its own blockchain. Now, what is a token? A token, unlike coins, do not have their own blockchain. So like blockchain and Ethereum, they have their own blockchains. The tokens are just protocols that are built on top of blockchains. So those are the difference between a token and a coin. Instead, they operate on other crypto coins, blockchains such as Ethereum. Some of the most commonly seen tokens on Ethereum include BAT, BNT, Tether, and various stablecoins like USDC. If crypto coins transactions are handled by blockchain, then tokens rely on smart contracts. They're an array of codes that facilitate trades or payments between users. Each blockchain uses its smart contract. For example, Ethereum US ERC20 and NEO uses NEP5. So Ethereum and NEO would be coins, where like BAT and like USDT Tether, BNB, well, BNB can be questionable because technically BNB was a token, then it turned into a coin when it became its own blockchain, when it came to the Binance Smart Chain. So it went from a token to a coin. So yes, tokens can eventually become coins, but I don't think it can be the other way around. So let me know what you guys think down in the comments. Is this helpful? Let me know. Stay tuned for more. Like and subscribe. See you guys on the next one. Peace. Hey, we got first time chatter here. Kunja, thoughts on H-bar? What's up? I like H-bar. I do. I really do. Holding on to some H-bar, in fact. Let's take a look at H-bar here, folks. Alright, Hedera H-bar. Now, is this a token or a coin? We were just talking about that. I believe this is an actual coin. It's got its own blockchain. Yes, Hedera Smart Contracts 2.0, smart contracts done smarter. It's its own blockchain. It's trading at 0.078. Market cap is $1.6 billion. It is ranked 39th of all the coin in crypto. I think this is definitely one of those that are going to be taken off in the next bull run. I think this is one of the altcoins that might survive and may even see higher highs because it's not a token, it's its own blockchain. It's considered it's a low market cap tier 1 because a lot of tier 1 cryptos are in the multi-billion dollars, and this is just a 1.6 billion. Something to think about there. It is tradable on Binance, Binance US, KuCoin, Gate.io, etc. So, me personally, I am holding H-bar, so I'm going to have my own personal biased opinion. So keep that and bear that in mind and do your own research. Thank you, first time chatter. Appreciate it. Make sure to like, subscribe, and follow. Let's see, what else we got here, folks? Let me check both chats here. Make sure to give us thumb. Ooh, yeah, we got thumbs up. Thank you for the likes. Thank you, that's very helpful. Alright, guys, I got one more to go, guys. One more video. What up, guys? Deegan Lifer here. So what is the difference? Oh, not between a token and coin. What is the difference? I gotta start this over. Hold on. I was messing that one up. Hopefully this works. Alright, guys. Deegan Lifer here. So what is the difference between a hot wallet and a cold wallet? So there's a variety of things, you know, obviously people have talked about hot wallets. I personally use hot wallets and cold wallets as well. It is very smart to not keep all your eggs in one basket. Excuse me. So what I mean by that is don't just rely on hot wallets, don't just rely on cold wallets. Use a variety of them and don't keep them spread out. Don't keep all your cryptos in one spot. So that way, if one of them does become vulnerable, you're not going to be losing all your funds. You'll only be losing whatever that part is. So hot wallets and cold wallets. So a hot wallet are basically your web-based wallets or your mobile wallets, your desktop wallets. These are your wallets here. These are your extensions like MetaMask, Phantom, TronLink. These would be considered hot wallets. They're the ones that are connected. They're pretty much always connected onto the internet. So some people speculate that because there's accessibility, they're easily accessible to the internet, makes them vulnerable to attacks. Especially, all they need is your private keys. If somebody has your private keys, they will have access to your wallet, which means they have access to all your funds. So the benefit of hot wallets is they're very easy to use. You can easily connect and interact with other applications. It's what makes dApps and decentralized applications and DeFi all possible, is because hot wallets, you're able to interact with these applications. Or even when it comes to gaming, like play to earn games like the metaverse, hot wallets are very, very helpful and very useful. But the downside is, with the hot wallets, with having that easeability and accessibility does have its drawbacks. Obviously, the security, if you interact with a bad app that, is there to just phish your keys and you sign a signature and you allow that transaction to happen, then yeah, you're gonna lose your funds. They're gonna have access to your wallet. So you have to be very careful and cautious of what applications you're interacting with, what links you're clicking on. You want to try avoid clicking on links, especially in your emails, because you don't want to get phish attacked. You don't want to have anybody get access to your hot wallets. Now, cold wallets are generally wallets that are very, very secure. Cold wallets, they have no connections to the internet whatsoever. They're usually on like a Ledger Nano device, kind of like a thumped card, where you plug it. You keep your coins on that device, and then you only plug it into your computer when you want to make a trade or when you make an interaction. What's great about cold wallets is you can actually get transactions still sent to your wallet. So money can easily come in, but it's very hard for money to come out of it, because in order for you to come out of it, you have to enter the private key with the device, and then you have to connect to the internet. So this is a very more secure way, but obviously it does involve a lot more steps. So when you come to trying to play your favorite metaverse game, or you're playing your favorite Dapp, you're gonna have to do a lot of process to go from cold storage to interacting with that application. So you're basically sacrificing easeability and convenience for security with cold wallets. Well, I hope this information was very helpful. Let me know what you guys think. What do you guys prefer? What's more safer? What's more easier to use? Hot wallets or cold wallets? Let me know down in the comments. Like and subscribe. I'll see you guys on the next one. Deegan Lifer here saying so long. Adios. ADA is good. Hope it goes to $10. I think it could. I think it could definitely in the next bull cycle. I think HBAR, ADA, Polygon, those three, I think we'll definitely see a brighter future for the next bull run. That's just my opinion, though. Well, let me know what you guys think, guys. I'm going to be getting off here. Our altcoins are dead. I don't think all of them are. I think some of them are. I think most of them will die. But we'll see. We will definitely stay tuned for more. I will see you guys on Wednesday, the 17th. This Wednesday and 2 days from now, same time, we'll be doing our live AMA. See you guys here at Dapp Center. Saying so long and enjoy the rest of your day. Adios.